Hello, this video is here to help you to get into your ETB email account and also to use Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office is a lot of programs and apps you can use to write things on a computer. But first of all, we're going to look at the email. So we start with the internet. We go to the internet, we can go to Google, or you can go to Bing or Yahoo, anywhere, but anywhere on the internet, go to Google and you put in office.com, office.com. Enter, and there's Office. So we just click Office. And here we have it. So all we do is we click Sign In. Now here you put in your email address. Your teacher has given you an email address. So you start with, mine is 20FE, yours will be 20FE as well, dot. This is my email now. This is a new email, at msletb.ie. So all of the emails are at msletb.ie. And a lot of people in further education will have 20FE dot and your name. So normally your name is here. So next, now the password. So usually to start, everybody has the same password. This password is STUD 2020. STUD 2020. And sign in. Now what we have to do, because everybody has the same password, you have to make your own password. You have to make another password. So let's look at how to make a password. So we cannot use small words like Sligo so that's not possible. It's too small and it's too common. Everybody uses this. A lot of people use this. We cannot use 1111. That's not possible. We have to use 8 characters. So characters are numbers or letters. So we need 2 small letters at least, maybe 3, 2 capital letters or maybe 3, and 2 numbers. So small letters, capital letters, or numbers. For example, Marta, 2010. Capital, small, numbers. Or you could use, let's see, Poland, 83. 3 capitals, 3 small letters, and some numbers. So capitals, small letters, and numbers is what we need. And please, it's very important, remember your password. Please remember it, because you're going to use it again and again and again. It's important. Remember your password. So write it down and take a photo. Take a photo of your password or text your password. Put your password in a text and text to your own phone. But please, please, please remember your password. I'm going to use this one. Capital L, 2 small letters. So my name is Lorcan, capital L, MC for my second name. 2020 is this year, and SL is for Sligo, capital S, small l. So I have 2 capitals, L and S. I have 3 small letters, MC and L. And I have 4 numbers. So I'm going to use this password. Let's see if it works. So let's see if it works. First, we have to put in the password we have, STUD 2020. So that's the first password. That's there, STUD 2020, capital S. So let's do that again. Capital S, TUD 2020. Then you put in your new password. So I'm going to put in my new password, capital L, M, C. You can't see the password, but I'm telling you what it is. 2020, capital S, L. And I have to put the new password in again. So capital L, MC 2020, capital S, L. So again, this is the old password, capital S, TUD 2020. That's student, stud 2020. This is my new password, and this is my new password again. Sign in. Okay, so stay signed in. This means if you are on your own computer, you can say yes, because it means that every time you go into Microsoft Office, you don't have to sign in again and again. If you're on a computer in the school or somebody else's computer, not yours, and you say no. But I'm on my computer, so I want to be able to go into my email easily. I say yes. And here we are. They're calling me demo, so that's my name for this email. And this is just telling you a little bit about the email. Tells you about it. You don't need it, you can X. And here we are. This is, let's see if I can move this here. So to look at your email, you can go up here. You see the 9 dots up here. And this is for the apps. And apps here you can look at. To check your email, you go to Outlook. Outlook is your email program. So opening it up. And here we are in our email. So if you want to look at your new messages, you go to Inbox. Again, this is just telling you more about the email. You don't need to look at this now. You can X out. Inbox. So if you have new messages, they come into your inbox. If you want to send a message, you press New Message. And then you put in the address and write the, so I'm going to send myself an email. So it's 20 FE dot. So that's me. I'm just going to send an email to myself, just saying hello. So that's 2. You put the address in here. That's the title of the message, and then this is the message. And send. And we can check here, inbox. There I have a message, and that's from me saying hello. So that's your email, and that's how to get in. That's our video for today. We'll have more videos about other forms of other parts of Office. Thank you for watching.